I want to thank the Kashmiri people because finally it was their trust that helps us build this kind of system. And today, with immense pride and gratitude, I can say that Paras Health Srinagar has become far more than just a hospital. It has become a symbol of best healthcare delivery system locally for people of Kashmir. बहुत खुशी हुई कि आप सभी आए हैं. Thank you very much again. I started my association with Paras in 2020, but before that, couple of years, I read an interview by our managing director Nagar sir that he has a dream to create a hospital in Srinagar. I was amazed. Who is this guy? Who is this visionary who wants to open a hospital in Srinagar? But see, in 2026, we are already 3 years old. Alhamdulillah, I can say we are successful. Alhamdulillah. And the dreams do come true. This is an example. I just read it and I was thinking, काश मैं वहाँ काम कर सकूँ किसी दिन जिस दिन ये श्रीनगर में हॉस्पिटल होगा. I was working in Fortis back then, and eventually I'm here. Thank you, sir, and thank you to all of you. You guys made it possible. A lot happened in these 3 years, but last year everything turned. We started to connect at grassroots with people here, and the wonderful team we had, doctors we had, all we needed some investment in infrastructure. Paras came, and that's how we started. Today is not merely a celebration of 3 successful years of Paras Health Srinagar. Today is a celebration of success story, of vision, a journey that dreams do come true, that we have seen. 3 years ago, when Paras Health began its journey in Srinagar, we arrived with a dream to bring world-class healthcare to Valley, a dream where the people of Kashmir would no longer travel to distant metro cities to get quality care, dignified care. We made it possible here. A dream where excellence in healthcare could be experienced right here at home among our own people. कोई भी मुश्किल काम करना हो तो challenges होते हैं. Similarly, we also had challenges. Building a hospital is never only about constructing walls, installing advanced machines. The true challenge lies in having the right team and earning the trust of people, becoming the name families turn to in their most vulnerable moments. That trust is built through compassion, consistency, commitment, and countless hours of selfless dedication. There were moments of uncertainty, sleepless nights, situations where every second carried the weight of a human life. Yet through every challenge, one belief kept us moving forward, that every patient walking through our doors deserves nothing less than very best care. And today, with immense pride and gratitude, I can say that Paras Health Srinagar has become far more than just a hospital. It has become a symbol of best healthcare delivery system locally for people of Kashmir. Over these 3 years, we have witnessed curation and augmentation of a healthcare system with holistic approach of healing and resilience. We care for our patients an extra bit with dignity and with respect. Beyond just medicine, we have successfully performed highly complex and critical surgeries. We have touched lakhs of people so far in these 3 years. More than 600 Kashmiris work in Paras Srinagar right now. We not only created employment, we also got best of the doctors back to Srinagar who were working elsewhere. That's what Paras Srinagar did. We have treated medical cases that once were compelled to travel outside the valley. And today we proudly stand shoulder to shoulder with the finest hospitals in metro cities of India. This achievement does not belong to one individual. It belongs to every person who believed in this dream. I'll take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our doctors for their unmatched expertise, unwavering dedication, and for treating every patient with compassion. From our ortho department to cardiac sciences department, from our advanced oncology department to neurosciences, we have come a long way. We are at the verge of doing organ transplants now. I take pride in choosing the finest of doctors from here for creating this exceptionally wonderful team. I'll also want to thank our nursing team. Rashmi ma'am is here. She has been pivotal in creating our nursing team here. We call the heartbeat of our team. Nurses were the actual 3 a.m. warriors. They work throughout to create what we show that we are capable of doing at Paras Srinagar. I want to thank our administration team also, support staff also, technicians, everyone who is associated with the hospital. It would not have been possible without any of you. Thank you. And above all, I want to thank the Kashmiri people because finally it was their trust that helps us build this kind of system. Thank you for accepting us. Thank you for trusting us. And thank you for making Paras Health Srinagar a part of your healthcare journey.